Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how we can activate newspaper version 7 for free. Then we start using it. Okay, first and foremost you need to have a newspaper theme. Okay, as you can see I'm having mine here. It is version 7.1.1. Okay, so without that said, let's begin. Okay, so what we do, I'm going to copy this from here. Then I go to my computer. Okay, then I come to C. I go to XAMPP, HDdoc. Then I go to this folder called YouTube. Then I go to WP content. Then I go to themes. I paste this one here. Okay, you can see I've pasted it is here. Now we need to extract it. Okay, then we say extract. So we wait while it is extracting. It will take some minutes to extract. Okay, it's still extracting, so we wait. Once it finishes like that, then we have to delete this zipped file. Okay, so we delete this one. Once we delete that, then we go to back end of our website, then we refresh. Okay, the theme is here now. Okay, so what we do, we just activate it. Okay, now the theme is activating. As you can see, it is moving here, it is activating. Okay, just wait a minute, it will activate. Okay, this is our theme now. Okay, you can come at the theme panel. We see it needs us to do what? To put the activation code here. Okay, now what we do, we go back to our C. Okay, where we installed it. Then we open it. Then we go to includes. From include we go to WP booster. From WP booster, then we have to look for tdcake. It is here, tdcake.php. When you hover on it, you can see it is a PHP file. Then we right click, we open with bracket. Oh, it is taking some few minutes. Then I will show you what we are going to do. Okay, it is still opening. Still opening. Ooh la la, it is taking long, but it's opening. Yeah, now it is here. Okay, from here we are going to look for a file where it is written td functions. Okay, I bet you can see it, it is here, function tdcake server./id. Okay, so from here there are some things we need to change from here so that our theme will accept to do what? To activate. As you can see here, it says return to be true, and then else it return to be false. So this is what we are going to change. We edit this false. Instead of false, we put it true. Okay, true. Okay, now we have finished. Then we come and say save. Then we say save. Okay, now we have saved our theme. Now from here, when we come here, we say activate the theme manually. Click there. Then we come here and say manual activation. Say okay, and we wait. Now friends, our theme is activated. Okay, you see, let's go back. Theme status. You see, our theme now is activated. It doesn't ask us again to activate it. Okay, our theme is now fully activated. Okay, if we come and we refresh here, ooh la la, you see, this is now our theme. Then from here, you can just come and install any demo you want. Install demo. You can install any demo you want from here now. You can see you have a lot of demos here for college news, local news, politics, animals, blog, health blog, car blog. We have everything here. It's your own choice. Which theme are you going to install? Like for me, I want to do local news, so I'll come and click on this one. Then you say prevent, then you say okay. You wait it until when it finishes to install. Okay, wait until when it finishes to install. It is installing. You wait it, it is installing, it is installing. Okay, it is here. It will take some few minutes to finish it, so we wait so that I can show you how the website will look. Okay, let's wait and see. It is almost finishing. Ooh, it is almost okay. Just be patient. Let us be patient, then we will see our website. Let us go back to our website and see. This is how our website looks now. Okay, but the moment it finishes, then it will activate itself. You will see here when we refresh, you will see here the website will change. Okay, almost. Now you see our website looks very funny, looks very dull, black and white. There is nothing here to smile about. Okay, let's go back and see. It's almost finishing. It's remaining very small. Then we will see. Okay, it has now finished. Now let us refresh here and see. Boom. This is now how our website will look like. Very beautiful. Now what you will do, you will just come and populate here with your own content, then you host. That's all. If you like this video, give me that like and subscribe. Okay, give me 1,000 likes. I'll be very happy. Thank you.